Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Active Noise Canceling wireless earphones from iHaper. These were sent to me about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I've been using them intermittently because, where are they? Actually, they're right here charging. Because I have my AirPods and I love those to death. So they haven't completely replaced my AirPods because it's just easier switching between 2 or 3 devices with the AirPods. But I have been using these. I did give them a fair shot. I will say I gave them a fair shot. I tried to pretend that I don't have the best pair of wireless earbuds on the planet. In the box, you get some paperwork, and they do come in this nice little case. The iHaper tag is on the bottom if you want to open this without them all falling out. And when you open it, you have your earbuds down here, and then a micro USB cable for charging. And they do include several sizes of wings and tips, so that way you can find the ones that fit you. The default ones didn't quite fit, so I switched them out. And they did come in a different bag, but it wasn't resealable, so when I opened it I couldn't close it, so I stuck them in this little plastic baggie. But these are the earbuds themselves. They do have that neckband, so for those of you that are into that. And the earbuds themselves, I'm sorry if they're a little dirty, I didn't remember to clean these. The earbuds themselves are not magnetic like some of them are. You have your tips here and your wings here. These go inside your ear to, I guess, give more support. I don't know. They're not really the most comfortable things for me. As well as the rubber tips. I'm not the biggest fan of in-ear earbuds like this, but like I said, I tried to give these a fair shot. And then if you look closely here, and then here, there's a little dot there. Those are microphones for the active noise canceling. You have this rubber flap, peel back, of your micro USB charging port. On the top you have a volume down, volume up, play pause. It's also power and pairing. And then on the bottom you have your microphone here, and then this button right here is the noise canceling. So if you press and hold, there is a little LED that turns on, and if I put this in my ear, I can hear a very subtle hiss from the noise cancellation. We're gonna turn this on. You can see there's another LED here. They said they're connected. I don't think the camera microphone picked that up. There's an LED here, LED here. They're both independent, so you can have noise canceling on and off. So I'm going to attempt to play Happy Life. Well, I'm going to play Happy Life, and I'm going to attempt to translate it to the camera microphone. This is full volume, so wish me luck. So they're not the loudest things ever. They are adequate. They're not quite as loud or as clear as my AirPods, but then again, my AirPods cost like 4 times what these cost. So for most people, these should be perfectly fine. They have the neckband for those of you who like it. For those of you that want wireless earbuds but don't want to lose them and still want to have wires on your wireless earbuds, because that's a thing that some people want. Definitely have that wire there. You have these rubber tips, which you can replace, as well as these wings, which you can replace, and I believe you can even just use them without the tips or wings. You do get active noise canceling, which is awesome. And in my testing, like I said, the audio was fine. They were a little quieter and a little less clear than my AirPods, but I guess I'm just used to my AirPods. If you have Apple wired headphones or wireless headphones and you crank them up to 100, these will probably sound about 70% as loud. So overall, they're pretty great. The price, I believe, is $40. I believe it's somewhere in the $40 price range. I would definitely recommend these if you're looking at Beats X and you're not 100% set in your ways. These are definitely a great alternative. So there you guys have it. That is my review of iHaper's wireless active noise canceling earphones. I'll leave these linked down below in the description for you to check out for yourself if you're looking to pull the trigger on neckband wireless earbuds. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications with the bell icon. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.